Hi there, welcome back to Wayne's Garage. This afternoon, I thought I'd come out and do just a quick little bit of work on Ute. Now, as you all can remember, I've got this big ass long section of rust that goes all the way down, and then down up into here as well, right there where the hole is. Now, I'm not 100% sure on this. Now, I've gone through in some areas because I've had to grind it with the big grinding disc, so not much I can really do about that, only because I'm not 100% sure. Now, I want everyone's clarification is, I don't know if you can see, I'll just move the camera so I can try and zoom in on it. Now, if you can see that section just here, now can anyone tell me if this is double walled? Now I'm needing to know if there is a section of wall in behind this bit. I'm going to find out myself eventually when I open it up, but I'm needing to know because I've just noticed that as I've been cleaning this skin here out, it's double plated. I don't know if it's supposed to be double plated, double skinned, or what. I'm just trying to find all this out as I go, because I have a big gaping rust hole here which leads into the rest of the floor. Because if that's the case, I need to try and cut some of that out and clean in up in behind here as well. This section down along here doesn't look too bad, except when you get down to here, there is another hole that you can see. It's poking down, straight down to the floor there. There's a plate there that's been put in that's badly done. And there's also another plate just there. So there's a bottom, and then there's another top bit. So I'm not too sure if that's supposed to be like that or not. So yeah, like once again, more on the surface rust. It's only surface rust. It's the piece of sheet, so that will all get cleaned down before I redo it. So yeah. So yeah, I've just got those questions and queries. So if anyone can tell me if it is supposed to be double skinned, because I'm not too sure if it's supposed to be or not. If it is, that's okay, then I will look into double skinning it. If it's not, then that means there's more work to be done, because someone's put another skin over the top. So yeah, so if you just can let me know on that, that would be appreciated, so I can continue to keep cleaning, so then I can make another video and hopefully get that section and behind it all cleaned up and rust killed and primed at the same time. Alright, thanks for watching. Don't forget, I've still got stickers available, $5 each or 2 for $7. It's also free postage within Australia. Really getting stuck on things to do, because I don't have a lot of funds. So yeah, just bear with me, and if I can make another video, I will. I also have 2 HR grills that are for sale that I'm hoping to get to polish them up as well and recondition them. So if you're after a reconditioned grill just for a daily driver, then give us a shout out and let us know, and I can get onto that and give you the price. Also have brand new brake slash clutch master cylinder for sale. That's $100 with postage included. So yeah, if you're interested in that, shout out and let us know. And yeah. Alright then everyone, thanks for watching. Stay tuned for upcoming videos. Sorry it's been a week since I brought out the last one. Yeah, trying to work out what videos I can do with very limited funds. Alright then everyone, thanks for watching, and cheerio for now.